Look at that leather quality. That thick swoosh. That's nice. What's going on, my friends? I recently won a raffle at my local skate shop for these awesome Nike SB shoes. So I thought I should do a little unboxing or a little review on these. They're super sick shoes, so let's take a look. So these come in this Quick Strike Nike SB multicolor box. So as you may already know from the title, these are the Nike SB Dunk High Pro Deconstruct Quick Strikes. The exact colorway is Sail Blue Beyond Track Red. I got them in a size 9.5 and the retail was Canadian 160. Shout out to my local skate shop, Tiki Room. Thank you so much. Let's open these up. And bam. These are so sick. These are pretty cool. These are pretty sick, you guys. I mean, the hits of red, the blue, the plaid, they make the shoes kind of flashy in a way. Detailed shots. Man, that leather. The cracked leather looks so rugged, but so cool at the same time. Dirty midsole. Super sick. So these shoes are a collaboration between Ishod Wair from Nike SB skateboarding team, as well as Magnus Walker from Urban Outlaw. Magnus Walker owns a Porsche that looks just like these shoes. I don't know all the details, but I'm sure you can find that out from just Googling. So Ishod Wair loves cars, like next to skateboarding. Like he's obsessed with cars. And it was only right that he collaborated with Magnus Walker, and this shoe is based off of Magnus Walker's favorite Porsche. I don't know what exact model it is. I don't know much about cars, but I just know that these shoes are freaking sick. Like the plaid inside of this, the ankle part here, that's inspired by his the interior of his car, I think. The colorway, the number, everything is direct inspiration from Magnus Walker's favorite Porsche. So yeah, these are sick. There's a video clip I watched of Ishod Wair and Magnus, just talking about cars and these shoes. I'll put that link below and you guys can check it out, and it shows it tells a detailed story about how these shoes came to be. And I also really like that this is a deconstruct model, because I'm a huge fan of Converse, like Chuck Taylors and stuff. And like, nothing wrong with the chunky bulky dunks, but I usually go with like slimmer shoes like Chuck Taylors or anything that's more thin like this. But yeah, these will work just fine for me, and even without all the padding, these shoes look absolutely amazing. So just looking at the right shoe, it's got a nice beautiful blue leather swoosh, and look how thick that leather cut is. It's nice and thick. Very nice. Urban Outlaw logo right there. You can see the cracked leather. And supposedly this cracked leather reveals gold underneath. As you can see like the hint of gold on the edge of the leather. And that gold is inspired by Magnus's Porsche's original color. I don't know if it was him, but it was painted over gold. So that's like that's what the inspiration is. 277 on the heel. Apparently there's no meaning behind the number. Magnus just wanted to put some numbers on his car, and this is what he picked. A little flag on the heel. There's another logo inside here. Urban Outlaw, Magnus Walker. Some more cracked leather. I don't know, it's sick. I mean, look at that leather right there. Nice and thick. That gold leather. That's the color this white part is going to reveal after you skate them. So that's going to look super sick. Some canvas is used on the toe. I think the tongue, yeah, the tongue uses canvas as well. Here's the tongue tag, Nike SB, Ishod times Magnus. Some extra laces. Wow. Circular white ones, some flat laces. Looking at the left pair, so these come with blue laces. The right one has the red ones. And here, if you want to coordinate them, here's the extra ones. Let's look at the left shoe. So same thing, blue swoosh, some more cracked leather, Urban Outlaw logo on the outer panel. The inner panel has the Urban Outlaw, the other version of that logo as well. Got the flag on the heel, nice thick leather used for the pull tab, canvas material used for the ankle, and it has raw edges. I like that. It kind of, and I love when shoes have like these raw edges where you see like the sponge inside. I don't know, some people might not like that, but I don't know, for some reason it reminds me of like, I don't know, retro 90s 80s shoes, so I kind of like that. So this left shoe has this red based plaid inside, as you can see. Right shoe has a blue based plaid inside. So because these are a deconstruct model, there really is no padding. Like this is really thin, super thin. Ooh, the lace tips has a little design. That's kind of cool. I don't know what it is. Urban Outlaw logo. This is like an exact copy of Magnus's super dope Porsche. Yeah, you really got to look at that video from Nike where Ishod and Magnus talk about the Porsche. The details and the resemblance from that vehicle to this shoe is like, it's insane. I love this piping too, like on this like strap. I love that they put a little thick leather piping on it. It looks cool. Let's see if I can pull out the insole. I should be able to. Should be one of those like Zoom Air insoles. Holy crap. What the heck? Okay, hold up. Alright. Here's the insoles. Your basic Nike SB insole with the Zoom airbag. Man, honestly, some people say they love the Zoom Air bag. Me personally, like I don't feel this at all. Like this does not help me at all. Like I honestly like don't know why people compliment this so much. Like this little cushioning, like this does nothing for me. Like it sucks. I mean, if it works for you, it's great. But me personally, like I loved when Nike used to use Lukrembo for their insoles. Like those were the best. They worked for me so good. They were so comfortable. Even Converse skate shoes had them for a little bit, and I really wish they would bring it back. Loved Lukrembo. So anyways, here's the insoles. You can see the huge number 277 Nike SB Walker Wair. Same thing on the other one. Cool. Yeah, let's take a peek at the inside. Oh, okay. So you can see like the gold, or it's not like it's not like your shiny gold. It's like the matte mustardy gold. That's the color. You can see it very well on this side, on the inside. So it looks like that's the color you will get when you beat through the white cracked leather. So that's cool. So all this would rub off, or I think it would, into this type of color. Cool. But yeah, because these are a deconstruct shoes, these are lighter than your average Dunks. Doesn't mean they're like super light, but they still feel pretty light. Cool little Urban Outlaw logo on the inside tag. Even more plaid everywhere. See the other shoe. Blue plaid everywhere. But yeah, can you guys see how thin this shoe is? Like, There's no, well, there is some padding, but not a lot. It's very close to like, you know, almost, it's almost like Converse, like Chuck Taylor's. That little bit of sponge you see on the ankle, that is basically all you get, like for cushioning all around. That's about as much as you'll get everywhere. But other than that, it's pretty thin, and I like that. Cool little Nike SB logo, and as you can see, it's like painted purposely to make it look all aged and dirty and used. Even the outsole, it comes all like, it's not actually dirty, but like they put that effect to it, and I'm a fan of that. That's pretty cool. I like shoes that are like worn a little bit. I mean, I don't want my shoes to look like they're trashed or anything, but like, I don't know, like there's something, I mean, obviously there's some shoes that look amazing, fresh, like Air Force Ones, but most shoes that I wear, I do like them to have like a little bit of wear on them, a little bit of scuffs, you know, show some character. I don't really need to do anything to them because they look aged and worn and just ready to go already. Some ventilation holes in the tongue. Boom, boom, boom. Take a close look at that canvas. It's pretty thick actually. Much thicker than like Converse canvas. It's a nice thick hard canvas right there. I mean, I just can't get over that leather. It's nice and thick. It feels like it's very good quality. But yeah, I wanted to quickly show you guys these Nike SBs. I know that Dunks have like the craziest hype on them, and like they're impossible to get, and I'm not gonna lie, I got sucked into the hype as well. I always liked Dunks, but I was losing interest in them, and I would still buy them here and there. I didn't really want them as much as I do now. I got sucked into the hype, and I really wanted Dunks for a while. But yeah, like boom, these, out of all of them, I got like one of the best Dunks ever. I can't wait to rock these. I won't be skating these right away. I'm just gonna wear them around. But I do that with like all my shoes. I don't wear my shoes like to skate right away. I just kind of wear them around for a couple months and just kind of casually, you know, break them in and stuff. And then once I break that, you know, brand new shoe feeling, then I start to skate them. But these, man, these are so sick. I honestly am not sure when I'll skate them. I kind of want to like keep these to just rock and style for a little while, but you know, once I do get to skating them, then I'll have to do a review. But yeah, what do you guys think about all the Dunk hype going on right now? Like you can't get your hands on any Dunks anymore without entering raffles or anything. Like I remember a couple of years ago, I could still buy Dunks off Nike's website on sale. I think it was like one of those like cream and blue Dunks and cream and burgundy Dunks, like Dunk lows that I saw. I think it was like a couple years back. I bought those. I wore the hell out of them. I donated them after. Now that I look at the price on them, man, I should have taken care of those. But yeah, what do you guys think about the Dunk hype? I know that skaters are mad that they can't get their hands on Dunks, but let's be honest, before the hype came in, you weren't skating in Dunks anyways. But nonetheless, look at me. I got sucked into the hype. I wanted Dunks so bad, and when I won this raffle, I was so happy. But yeah, super cool. Before I go, I'll have to show you guys what these look like on feet. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the support. Please like and subscribe. This is not really a shoe review channel. It's about skateboarding. This channel is more about me trying to land a freaking tray flip. But yeah, a lot of people are interested in Nikes lately, so I thought I should do a review. Oh, my bad, you guys. So in terms of sizing, these fit true to size. I usually wear 9.5 to 10. And for skateboarding shoes, I usually wear a 9.5. And these are a 9.5. And these fit me just perfect. I would say if you have a wide feet, going up half size wouldn't hurt you. But For the most part, I think true to size is fine. I'm not sure what other dunks are like nowadays because I haven't had one for so long, but these deconstruct models are a little bit on the slim side, or to me at least I think they are. But yeah, if you have wide feet, you know, half a size up wouldn't hurt you. But yeah, true to size should be fine if you can get your hands on them. But yeah,